This is our Quick Image LED exposure unit. It comes in two sizes, 2631 and 2621. Basically 26 inches by 31 inches exposure area and 26 inches by 21 inch exposure area. Each Quick Image will come with an exposure board, which is very important when using sandblast photoresist film. You are going to get this with every Quick Image that you purchase, and this is important. I'll show you how to use the exposure board when exposing the film. Your Quick Image exposure times will be in the user guides for whatever photoresist film you're using. Prior to exposing the film, you want to set the time. I'm using Ultra Peel HD, which is optimized at 17 seconds. So you just press the buttons till you get to 17 seconds. Set your exposure board to the side. Take your photoresist film and your artwork and lay it down on the Quick Image. The LED lights are in the bottom, so they'll be exposing through the artwork to the film. Once you place your film and artwork on the exposure area, you place the board down. You'll notice a circle right here where the air pulls the vacuum. You want to just make sure the exposure board is somewhere near the circle. Lock this down and now turn on the vacuum. Less than 10 seconds, this is suctioned down. All you do, turn on the light, you can see it counting. When the timer stops, the film is exposed, turn the vacuum off, unlatch, and we're ready to wash out the film. The importance of the exposure board is so that there's no undercutting on the film. When using photoresist film, it's very thin, and if you try to suction without using the exposure board, you could get spots that aren't suction tight. So you always want to use your exposure board when you're working with the photoresist sandblast film.